To begin with the connections, you need to set a resistance in the middle of the protoboard, and then on each side. On one side of the resistance, you connect a cable that goes to pin 12 on the Arduino card, while on the other side, you set 3 more that are connected to the cathode of each LED, the green, yellow, and red. Higher on the protoboard, you make a bridge for each LED. On one side of the bridge, you connect a cable that goes to the LED's anodes. And finally, on the other side of the bridge, you connect the cable that goes to the Arduino pin.
So this is gonna be the final product. First the green light will blink 3 times, then the yellow light once, then the red once, and then it will repeat itself.
How does the code works? First, we introduce to the system what type of signal we're going to use for each pin. Since our mission was to send the signal to the light-emitting diodes, we introduce all the pins as outputs to indicate that the signal was going there. We use the pins 8, 9, 10, which go connected to the anode, and 12. The 12 in this case is going to be the negative pin, which is connected directly to the resistance, and this one to the cathode. In the second part of the code, we introduce the pins a certain instruction of on and off, in Arduino represented as high and low. We place the positive value as high and the negative as low. This instruction indicates that the LED should turn on. At the end of this instruction, there's another instruction called delay. This indicates that the Arduino should wait a certain amount of time before going to the next instruction. The values introduced are measured in milliseconds, so we place 1000, so it will wait 1 second before going to the next instruction. From the second to the fifth instruction, it has the same values. This means that the LED connected to the pin 8 and 12 will turn on and off in intervals of 1 second 5 times. After this period, the next instruction states a different pin, the number 9. This indicates that the LED connected to the 9 and 12 will be turned on. This instruction is repeated twice. After this, we introduced the pin 10 and 12, indicating that the corresponding LED connected to these pins will be turned on. This instruction also repeats twice, so the LED will blink 2 times. In Arduino, the code will repeat in a loop until we disconnect it from the code or we press the button reset located in the Arduino.